everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about the storable product in Odoo 70. Well, do you know what is storable product? The items that can be kept in the inventory is known as storable product. The peculiarity of the storable product is we can check the lot and serial number of the storable product, we can check the expiration date, as well as we can also find the transaction, that is the incoming transaction and outgoing transaction of the storable product. So I think you guys are struggling to manage with the storable product in your inventory. So let's see how can we manage that using Odoo 70. Well, I'll be explaining a small example over here. So do watch that. Here we're gonna deal with the customized cabinet, which is a storable product, and here you can find the price and cost of the product. So let's create a purchase order against the customizable cabinet over here. So for that you can just move on to the request for quotation, click on view, where you can choose the vendor. So here I'll be choosing the vendor as stockable, who is one of the loyal vendor. So he won't cheat us. So we always would like to purchase the item from this vendor. So let me choose the product that is customized cabinet, where you can find that we are going to purchase 10 quantity of the item, and you can just save this. So as you just save the RFQ, we can say that there won't be any transaction of the item over here. So even if you just confirm the RFQ, you could not find any transaction of the item in the inventory. This is because you have just only created a document over here. So if you just want to see the transaction of the item, we have to just receive the item into the stock. So here we are going to get the item from stock.Odoo into the stock. So you can just click on receive product, where you can just validate, and you can see currently we have just received the item from the vendor stock.Odoo to the stock of 10 quantity. Now to check the inventory movement, you can just move on to the inventory module. Under the reporting, we have move history, and you can find the move history of the item, and with all the details such as the date, reference, product. If you have just provided the lot or serial number, you can find that, and we have just taken the product from the vendor to the location, that is to the WH stock, and with the quantity of 10, and we have just received, and you can see that the status is set to 10. Now let's create a sales order against this product, which is customized cabinet. So for that you can just move on to the sales module, and in the sales module to create a quotation, you can just move on to the new button, and we are going to create a quotation for the customer wood corner. So here is one of our loyal customer who would always or frequently purchases the item from us, and here you can see that he is going to purchase customized cabinet with 5 quantity. Wow, as he is going to make purchase of large item, right? Large amount, which is a good profit for our company. So here you can see that we have just confirmed the order, but just save the order, and here we are going to just confirm that. So as we just confirmed, you can see that there won't be any transaction of the item, that is outward transaction of the item, because we haven't delivered the item to the customer. So here when you just move on to the product, here you can see that the on-hand quantity of the product will be still 10, because we haven't just delivered the item to the customer. Now just move on to the quotation that you are dealing with, and we are going to deliver the item to the customer wood corner. Now just validate the process. So once we have just validated the process, the delivery will be done over there, and you can find that the product will be just reduced from the on-hand quantity into 5, because the customer has just placed an order for the product with 5 quantity, and here you can see that currently we have only 5 quantity in the stock. Now if you want to find the inventory movement, you can just move on to the inventory module, and in the reporting you can just go to the move history, where you can find we have just delivered 5 quantity of customized cabinet from the input to the partner customer. So it's very easy to manage with the storable products in Odoo 17, and that would also let you know the inventory movement of the item, and if there is a low quantity of the item into stock, Odoo will automatically create a procurement rule as it's a storable product. So hope this concept is clear for you. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.